So, magandang buhay ulit, class. So, we shall continue our discussion on mathematical language. So, remember yung nakalipas na video, natutunan natin kung ano yung nouns, English sentences, analogous doon ang mathematical expressions and mathematical equations. So, in this video lesson, we will try to write mathematical expressions and mathematical equations from English sentences. Okay, so let me share with you the PowerPoint. It's not working. Why is it not working? Yon, okay. So I hope it's clear. It's clear from your end. So writing expression and equation. So a mathematical expression contains numbers and or variables that are connected by operations. So, alam natin yung mga operations no, na napag-aralan na natin, yung basic operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay? So, an equation usually has words like equals, is equal to, or just the word is. So, to translate a mathematical phrase, we follow these steps. Okay, so the first step is to identify the variables and constants. And then determine the connectors and perform the translation of the phrase into symbols. So, halimbawa, 10 and a number is 4. So, we identify the variables and constants. So, doon sa 10 and a number is 4, yung constant ay yung 10 at yung number ay 14. Okay? So, yung variable ay number. Ulit. So, yung dun sa example na 10 and a number is 14, ang mga constants ay yung word na 10 at 14. Yung variable naman, yung word na number. So, kulay red dyan sa screen, no? So, we determine the connectors. So, ano yung connectors? So, and at saka yung is, no? So, 10 and a number is 14. Alright? So, 10 and a number is 14. And then finally, we perform the translation of the phrase into symbols. So, 10 and a number is 14. So, 10, we write the digit 10. And anong operation ang involved? And I, addition. Let us represent the number by the variable x is for the equality and 14. So, 10 plus x is equal to 14. So, yun yung mathematical equation nung sentence na 10 and a number is 14. It's not actually a sentence. It's an expression of 10 and a number is 14. Pwedeng sabihin, the number 10 and a number is 14 yung sentence siya. Alright? So, let's try to write each phrase into algebraic equation. So, twice as old as Vic is 40. So, 2V is equal to 40. V for Vic's age. No? So, 2V is equal to 40. Joe's age divided by 5 or less than 3 is 1. So, let us represent Joe's age by J. So, J divided by 5 minus 3 is equal to 1. Number 3, Sonia's age multiplied by 2 is 78. So, let us use S to represent Sonia's age. So, 2S is equal to 78. Number 4, The ratio of 16 and the number of workers W is 4. Ratio, so merong division, no? So, the ratio of 16, so 16 over W, which is the number of workers, is equal to 4. Jamie's age J less 2 is 24. So, less 2 means minus 2. So, J for Jamie's age minus 2 equals 24. So, this time, we convert algebraic equation into English expression. 6 plus A equals 40. So, we have 6 more than a number is 40. So, yung number natin is represented by the variable A. So, 6 more than a number is 40. Number 2, 5B is equal to 40. So, product of 5 and a number is 40. The product of 5 and a number is 40. So, here, the number is represented by the variable B. So 5B is equal to 40. Number 3, C over 5 is equal to 40. So the quotient of a number and 5 is 40. Here, the number is represented by the variable C. So C upon 5 is equal to 40. The quotient of a number and 5 is 40. Number 4, 2m minus 4 is equal to 40. So twice a number m less 4 is 40. No? So yung variable m represents the number. So twice a number less 4 is 40. And finally, 6x plus 4 is equal to 40. 4 more than the product of 6 and a number is 40. Here, the number is represented by the variable x. So 4 more than the product of 6 and a number x is 40. So, what are the common issues in converting English phrases into mathematical sentences? Number 1, using the wrong keyword, no? Because of that, we suffer from incorrect process. So, for example, 1/2 of 20. Ang correct processing nun, half and of. So, half indicates divide by 2, not by 1/2. And of indicates multiply by 1/2 and not divide by 1/2. So, yung 1/2 of 20, normally ginagawa natin 20 divided by 1/2. So, incorrect process yon. Ang tamang process is 20 times 1/2. Another issue is incorrect word order with subtraction. Incorrect process again, 5 less than 2 times a number. Ano yung correct process nun? So, 5 minus 2x. 5 less than 2 times a number x. Baliktad. Ang correct processing nun is 2x minus 5. So, twice a number x minus 5. Yun ang correct processing. Third issue, not validating by translating from symbols back to words. So, incorrect process, twice the sum of 3 and 8. So, 2x3 plus 8. So, ang correct processing nun, 2 quantity 3 plus 8. So, i-add muna yung numbers 3 and 8 bago sila i-multiply sa 2. No? So, twice the sum of 3 and 8. Next issue is the use of punctuation. Incorrect process, 3 times a number plus 4. No? So, 3 times a number plus 4. So, 3 quantity x plus 4. So, that's an incorrect process. The correct process is 3x plus 4. So, yung 3, iminumultiply lang doon sa number x. Saka, i-add yung 4. And then another issue is redundancy. So you have 6, quantity 2 equals 12. So incorrect process, anong sinasabi? Twice the product of 2 and 6 is 12. So naulit, twice na product of 2 pa. So ano yung correct processing nun? 2 times 6 is 12. And then multiple operations, no? Incorrect process, 4 plus 5 upon 3 equals 3. Ano yung sinasabi natin? 4 plus 5 divided by 3 is equal to 3, no? Ang dami-daming operation plus divided by. So, anong dapat gawin? The sum of 4 and 5 all over 3 is 3. So, ang operation lang na pinakita dito ay yung division, 5 all over 3, no? All over 3. So, instead na plus, sinabi mo na lang sum. The sum of 4 and 5 all over 3 is 3. And then missing the significance of word or phrase. For example, we have here an incorrect process. Mary worked 2 hours on weekdays and 6 hours on weekends. How much does she get in a week if she makes 120 pesos per hour? Anong normally ginagawa? 2 times 120 plus 6 times 120. No? Ano yung correct processing niyan? So, yung 120, yun yung rate niya per hour. So, ano yung total hours work ni Mary? Yun yung nasa kabila. So, yung 2 times 5, yun yung 5 yung weekdays, no? Plus 6 times 2, 6 hours siya kung weekend. So, 2 hours for weekdays, 6 hours on weekend. So, yun yung total number of hours niya. I-add mo yun, saka i-multiply sa 120. So, there are other mathematical symbols which we shall discuss through another video lesson. So, for now, that suffices the lesson on converting expression to sentences and vice versa. I shall give you another sit work which I will upload in our Google Classroom. So for now, I will stop sharing and I will end